Well, without wasting much of our time, I just want to share with you all the signals I actually traded yesterday and my analysis, my psychology behind it, the reason why I took the trade. Remember, I trade based on SMC concept, structure, liquidity, and then my entry. All right, so this was the setup yesterday on gold. Right, so I was actually, looking forward for price to come to this zone for me to buy, right? I have three zones marked out here. So this was yesterday, right? This was where price was yesterday. So I then did my analysis and then set a pending order based on my schedule, right? I set a pending order and price triggered, you know. Though New York and London session passed, to be honest, that is the major, session that I trade London and New York. So the trade did not actually trigger during those sessions, right? But later in the evening, during Asian session, that was when it not triggered. I think it was around 6 to 7. That was when the trade later triggered. So, and then I didn't cancel the order, to be honest, because it's actually against my rule because I'm only to be trading during the London and New York session, but actually did not. And it's something I have to actually work on, right? Discipline over dollar, always discipline over dollar, right? So do not allow a single trade, right, to actually, change your rules, keep to your rules and being disciplined. That's what trading is all about, right? So I actually saw the setup and then, yeah, this was it. There were two setups. Remember, I trade only Bitcoin and gold. Those are my major and only pairs I trade, Bitcoin and gold. Those are the two only pairs I trade, right? So this was the setup and this was for the BTC as well, right? If you watch my previous video, you will see where I actually analyze the charts that when the price retrace up to this point, I will short the market, which price actually did. It did retrace, right? It did retrace and then it printed 1 hour plus, right? It printed 1 hour plus. So I was on break even on the trade, right? And then it reversed to hit me out on stop loss. So remember that setting your stop loss should not just be set anyhow. Your stop loss should be set in according to market structure, right? According to your analysis, not according to dollar, not according to pips. Pips can be used in addition to your entry in order to minimize your risk, but always set a stop loss in an area whereby if the market should invalidate it, that shows that the trend has been completely changed. It's very important to understand that. So when the market, retrace to hit me out on stop loss, then I confirm that the trend has changed completely. So I now start looking forward to what? To look for buys opportunity. So this was my analysis yesterday. The price was here around London session. The price was there. So I actually, did my analysis that when the price come here, I was, looking forward to buy from that zone, right? So yeah, I just set a limit order and then I left it. So let's dive into the result to see what later happened, right? Let's see what later happened later on. So this was the result for the BTC, I mean for the gold. This was the result for the gold. All right. So at this point, I actually closed the trade. Why? Because this this bearish momentum candle here shows that the sellers are actually in control. So when the market triggered that yesterday, I just closed in small profits. So I left the market that yesterday, to be honest. So I'm no longer in this trade, but it's actually playing out well, right? For gold, it's actually playing out well. So this was the same analysis I just showed you previously, right? So it's playing out well, and this is it. All right. So I just decided to be documenting, my trades here. It's not that I'm not, it's just that I'm new in doing this actually, right? But in terms of documenting it on YouTube here, is new to me. All right. So please do well to subscribe to this channel, and also I will, if you're interested in this my approach, like my analysis, which I use, or the things I look forward to see before analyzing the chart. If you're interested, I can actually give you out for free, to be honest. Do you understand? I'm not kidding. So I'll give you out for free. Don't think you understood what I did here, because all of these concepts you're seeing, all of this break and see me marking out these zones is not something I just learned one day. It's something I've been learning, through losses, through experience, I mean, ups and downs. So I was able to understand and crack the code of the areas that I need to only focus on and avoid every other one. I see them as noise. All right. So if you're interested, you just, drop your comment on the comment section, and I will reach out to you to see how I can help. Right. So this is it for the gold. Now let's go to the BTC and see what the results look like. Network is bad. All right. Remember from when I showed you the signal on Telegram group, right? That BTC was, I'm looking forward to buy, right? From this zone. Is the network, the tools are supposed to pop up. Network is very bad this morning. Pop up now. All right. So yeah, this is it. This is how it played out. Actually hit 40p this morning. So it was the same time it actually triggered with gold yesterday, right? With heavy momentum, like the momentum was crazy. You can see how it actually came very close to stop loss, right? Came very close to stop loss, and then by the time price printed, reversed to print small profit. I just closed out. Though I made good profits, right? I made good profit, and I was able to leverage on it based on it's a high probability setup for me. All right. So I actually leveraged on it, but it's just like a scaling and scale out. I didn't stay much in the market. I just boom in and then boom out immediately. All right. So that was it. When the trade was actually, coming, pushing down, when it triggered at first, it printed 1 hour, then reversed again, came almost to my stop loss, and then boom. That is it. So yeah, it's good to actually, remain patient in the market. This is the possibility of trading. Anything can always happen. That is just the truth. Right. So now it is possible that if this was to be my take profit, it's the same way it's possible that price can just come close to take you out on your take profit and then reverse straight to hit your stop loss. Do you understand? Just like the way it came very close to stop loss, but moved towards to take profit. It's the same way it's possible you can move from your take profit zone to your stop loss zone. Right? So the thing is always have a rule you stick to, always be disciplined, know your rules, know where you have to take profit, stop loss, whatsoever the market like it should do. Right? You can't control the market, but you can control your outcome, you can control your decisions. That is just the only thing you can control. All right. So the most important thing is to just keep learning every blessed day. Make sure you learn from every trade, every actions you take, every decision you take should come out from your rules, from your data, which are back tested. All right, not just from emotions or what you think. All right, don't trade with how you feel or what you think. Trade with data, trade with clarity. All right, have purpose for your trading. Make quality decisions, not just random decisions. Otherwise, you have random, results. So that is it for today, traders. And actually, I wanted to, mark out opportunity zones as well, but I don't want this video to be that long. So I'm going to pause it for today. So I urge you all to please subscribe to this channel. And if you're interested in learning my strategy, I am available. I will teach you for free. Remember, I'm here to, just document. I'm not actually here um, to look for people that will subscribe for money to my teaching, to my mentorship and all of that. No, I'm actually here that if you are ready to learn, it's up to you. All right. So just drop your comment on the comment section. I will reply and then we look forward to see how we can schedule time for our learning. All right. It is free. Remember, it is free. And this Telegram room is private. Do you understand? If you look at it, you see that just one member is private. So, but if I see that, okay, people are interested in taking my signals as well or learning from me, I might as well consider the fact that, okay, let me start, adding people to the Telegram group, but based on who is ready and willing to learn. Do you understand? Not the Telegram group is just like where I document my trade only, like before and after setups. Do you understand? That is what I do majorly on the Telegram group. All right, so thank you all for sticking to this video to the end. I actually appreciate your patience and subscribe to this channel. Let's grow together. There are more to achieve in this forex trading. We all will succeed by the special grace of God. Thank you all and peace out.